This is the only video you'll ever need to watch about a backdoor Roth IRA. We're going to cover everything you need to know in the shortest amount of time so you can better manage your money and live a richer, fuller life. A backdoor Roth IRA is a way for high income earners to put money into a Roth IRA. As a reminder, a Roth IRA is an investment account that helps you save and invest for retirement. A Roth IRA helps you pay less in taxes because all investment gains in the account are not subject to taxes. Depending on how much you invest, this can save you tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. Since the Roth IRA is so powerful, the government has set restrictions on who can put money into a Roth IRA. If you make more than $165,000 if you're single, or more than $246,000 if you're married and filed taxes jointly, you won't be able to put money into a Roth IRA directly. However, there is a workaround for this called the Backdoor Roth IRA. Here's how to do it. There are 3 simple steps to doing a backdoor Roth IRA. Step 1. The first step is to open a traditional IRA and Roth IRA account. Both of these accounts are necessary to do a backdoor Roth IRA. Step 2. The second step is to contribute to the traditional IRA. Unlike a Roth IRA, the traditional IRA has no restrictions on who can put money into it. For 2025, the maximum that you can put in is $7,000 if you're under the age of 50 or $8,000 if you're over 50. Normally, the money that you put into a traditional IRA reduces your taxable income. In other words, if you put in $7,000 into a traditional IRA, then you won't have to pay taxes on $7,000 of your income. However, since you are doing this backdoor Roth IRA strategy, you won't be eligible for this since the money is only going to briefly sit in the traditional IRA before it is moved to a Roth IRA. Step 3. The third step is to transfer or convert money in the traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Once the money is in your Roth IRA, you'll enjoy tax-free investing since any investment gains aren't subject to taxes. Before doing a backdoor Roth IRA, make sure that you're familiar with these 4 important considerations. Number 1, check your existing traditional IRA balance. To make your taxes simpler, the traditional IRA should ideally have no money in it when you start this backdoor Roth IRA process. If there is money in it, you may have to pay some taxes when doing the backdoor Roth IRA. Number 2, transfer or convert funds as soon as possible. As soon as the money you contributed shows up in your traditional IRA, transfer or convert these funds as soon as possible. Any investment gains accumulated in the traditional IRA are subject to taxes. So, if you wait too long, you might accrue some interest as the money sits in the traditional IRA. Number 3, make sure you are investing in something. Remember that once the money is transferred or converted into your Roth IRA, it's not invested yet. You still need to pick what you want the money to be invested in. Don't forget to do this. Number 4, complete Form 8606. When filing taxes at the end of the year, Form 8606 must be completed to let the government know that you did a backdoor Roth IRA. Don't worry because this is not a complicated form. Almost all tax software is able to complete this form for you. All you'll need to do is answer a few simple questions. You now know everything you need to know about a backdoor Roth IRA. If you liked how short and sweet this video is, you'll love our video that teaches 30 years of personal finance knowledge in under 30 minutes. This is the video that shares everything I know about investing, saving, and taxes that helped me build $1 million in net worth before age 30. Click on that video here or find the link in the video description below.